Narrated by Abu Hurairah radiallahu ta'ala. I heard Allah Messenger Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam saying, "We Muslims are the last to come, but will be the foremost on the day of resurrection. Through the former nations were given the holy scriptures before us, and this was the day Friday, a celebration of which was made compulsory for them, but they differed about it. So Allah give us the guidance for it Friday, and all the other people are behind us. In this respect, the Jews' holiday is tomorrow, means Saturday. The Christian is the day after tomorrow, means Sunday.